Hey guys, what is up? I'm back making another video, and today we're going to be making the Hulk, as in the Avengers, not like whatever other Hulk you're thinking of. So sorry I haven't made one in quite a while. I've just been lazy this week for a reason, even though I've had like no homework lately, and I've been just playing other Roblox games. I don't know. Oh, well, yeah, by the way, guys, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I finally found a recording software for my computer, so that's a really good thing. And that'll just make the characters. It'll be easier to make the characters, but it's the problem with laggy on there just as my Samsung. So I'll still be making videos on a computer. So yeah, let's get right into making the Hulk. The next character I could possibly making is Carnage or Venom, but I'm just making a villain, which I haven't I don't think I've ever made a villain before. So we're gonna be making a villain in the next walkthrough. So yeah, so if it's your first time playing Superhero Life, you first want to click on this button that has three orange people or three white people and the background is orange. What the? So, so yeah, this is I don't think this game is gonna get updated in quite a while. So this is like a completely new server. It's not like this is gonna be, I don't know, different, but you wanna click on this button and then you wanna choose a character that you've well, if you just start, you can choose a character and you can just delete everything from it. I did not mean to be that dude. But this is what we're going to be making today. So we're going to be making the Hulk today. And now at first, once you go in, you want to click on basic information. I'm sorry my camera like cuts off most of it. So yeah, but so all you see here is in information, but the full one is basic information. So I want to click on that. I want to click on the name. I want to say Hulk. I want to type in Hulk, and then you test for censorship. And then you go to backstory. You can just put anything. I'm just gonna put Hulk smash, and yeah, I'm just gonna do something simple. I want to make him good and lawful, and his powers. I want to give him martial arts. I want to give him a physic wave because he can clap his hands ish and hit people. Or I'll not explain it, but I think you guys have seen it before. You want to put him with physic boom, and I don't know. I'm trying to give him as many powers as possible, but you also want to give him a super speed. I don't know about wall climbing. You can choose that. You can either choose super speed or wall climbing. I just recommend super speed. I mean, not super speed, wall climbing, but I'm just using super speed. I don't know, just because I want to, because I saw in Thor Ragnarok, but okay, I want to choose those powers. Those are just what I recommend. The skin color, I want to make it this peach as the people in the world. I don't know about this. Slightly darker. You can use these two peaches. I want to use this one now, actually. Okay, its death style, you can choose that. Its transformation style. You can do an accession or a spin. I don't recommend fire smoke because that's not how he really turns into the Hulk. So for armor, you want to make him really buff. So let's give him shoulder pads. Let's see the colors. Let's try this. No, not that green. Yeah, let's try this kind of green. So it's just right here. Now you want to add that. Forearm pads, you want to make that exact same green. It sometimes does it for you, so I didn't have to really choose the color again, but I just did. Oh wait, you actually want to make his skin color green. I actually forgot that, so I want to make that green. I'm so sorry, guys. I completely forgot about that. Okay. And now you want to give him. No, I don't think you need to really give him anything here. Side armor, maybe. You can choose that. And now doesn't have any emblems or mouth covers. He doesn't have a mask, nor hoods. He has shorts. Let's give him these shorts because he look cool. So I want to give him these kind of shorts. I know he looks kind of weird, but I don't even like. I really don't know how to make him though. I don't want to make him plain like just a body and shorts, and then just straight up move into his other identity as Bruce Banner. So I decided to just make him look buff. So I'm gonna add that gray. I don't think you need to really add any texture. I mean, that's your choice. You can add a texture if you want. I'm just gonna add a texture so that looks more designish. And now his shorts. Actually, let's give him more armor. It kind of looks weird, like with him having like barely any armor. Oh, wait, this. So it's your choice if you want to give him like as much armor as you can. Um, but that's your choice. No, it's not like I'm telling you like you have to. I'm just giving him arm armor. Yeah, I don't know about chest, but let's move on. Boots. He doesn't wear any boots, I think. But shorts, boots, capes, suit, leg armor. Um, eyes. Let's do eyes. Let's keep them as angry, and let's put on facial hair. No, not facial hair. Let's put on hair. I meant hair, not facial hair. What's the hair that I saw? I saw before. Hmm. Can't find it right now. Actually, I don't know. I kind of like this one, but I know. Yeah, this is the one I'm looking for. I think this is it. Okay, let's make that completely black. And then you want to add that. His mouth, you can make that angry or sad. I'm gonna put on an angry mouth. And then now you want to switch to his identity. I don't think we missed anything. Well, hopefully. I mean, we kind of missed eyebrows, but I didn't put any on. I'm just gonna put on angry eyebrows. You can choose, guys. Okay, so now you want to click on swap identities. We have just a kit-ish. So not Scarlet. Let's put Bruce. I'm so bad at spelling. My computer. It's not okay. There. Bruce Banner. I want to put on all the stuff the same. You want to put on. I did a different whitish, but that was for Scarlet Witch. I think for Bruce Banner, you can probably put this one or this one I used for Scarlet Witch. I don't know. You can choose. I'm gonna choose this one again. So it's death style. You can choose that transformation style. Once again, I recommend accession and spin. Now you want to go to the glasses. Give him nerd glasses because he does sometimes wear transparent glass. I mean, not transparent, like glasses that don't like have any glass on it. I'm sure this one doesn't have any glass on it. Let me see the other ones. Uh, let's actually. Okay, you guys can choose, but I'm gonna put on the hipster glasses. In my opinion, it just looks like it has more design. So yeah. Gloves? No, he doesn't wear any gloves. Hats, jackets. Let's give him an open zipper jacket and let's make that a gray near the black. And now I want to give him pants. Let's give him cargo pants because those are my favorite pants. I want to make those a gray. You want to make him look like a scientist, so yeah. Mm, let's give him a t-shirt and let's make that a um what was it? Yeah, there it is. Okay, I nearly forgot where it was. So let's give him that t-shirt. And now, let's give him shoes. We're gonna make those, let's make those gray. No, those bundle with the pants. Let's make those that other gray. Okay, so we're almost done here. You can give him accessories. I'm gonna give him a tie. And I'm closing my eyes right now and I'm choosing which color. So, oh, okay. We chose, wait, do we even choose a color? Okay, we got yellow. Okay, let's just keep that. So, neutral eyebrows. Let's give him, like, let's give him neutral eyebrows. And now for the eyes, let's give him, mm, happy eyes maybe. And for mouth, let's keep him with the sad mouth. And now for hair. Oh, wait, does he? No, he doesn't like have any facial hair, but let's look for hair. I'm kind of looking for the Roblo Hunk hair, but Hulk has a spiked hair. Oh no. Let me look at the spiked hair again. That looks nothing like him. Let's keep the Roblo Hunk. So we're gonna add that, and now we are officially done with Hulk. So now let's save and exit. I'm gonna click that, and then we can see like his powers. Keep in mind that I am playing on the computer, so this will be kind of what the heck? Wait a minute. Why am I this color? Oh wait a minute. Is there some mistake I did with the skin color or something? What? I thought I put on green. Okay, let's save and exit. Does that mean if I turn into Bruce Banner, I'm gonna be green? Okay. There's just some mistake that makes me turn into peach-ish. Now that we're green, let's go fight some people. Oops. Why can't I move? This is annoying. Okay, that was close. Oh wait, I was literally clicking because it wouldn't even let me do physic boom for a second. Like my game is so laggy and I can't even move. Like that's really annoying. On phone, it's like less laggy when it comes to using powers, but on computer, it's I can't even move again. What's going on? I'm literally like spamming all my keys. No, don't. Um, my game is actually lagging hard. This dude has claws. Okay, you know what? Let's just end the video somehow. So, I hope you guys liked watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below which character I should do. It's most likely that I'm gonna choose a comment with a villain, but if there's no comments in like, I don't know, a few days or something, or I mean, it's not like the video's not gonna come out in three days at least. But I'm just gonna try and make a video as quick as I can. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed making the Hulk, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. And goodbye.